Hi everyone, I'm a nutritionist, and today I'm sharing a simple homemade wellness recipe that many people find interesting because it uses everyday kitchen ingredients. Before we begin, turn on subtitles if you need them because this information can help people from different countries and different languages understand the process more easily. Today's recipe includes ingredients that many cultures have used for years in home kitchens: onions, garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar, water, and a little honey. These are not expensive ingredients, and most people already have them at home. The recipe is simple, but what makes it interesting is the combination of flavors and natural compounds found inside these foods. Now, before moving forward, I want to make something clear. This is a wellness drink and not a magic cure. Sometimes on the internet, people claim that one recipe can fix every health problem. Real nutrition does not work that way. Good health usually comes from balanced eating, exercise, proper sleep, hydration, and consistency. Natural recipes can be part of a healthy lifestyle, but they should not replace medical advice. Now let's begin with the ingredients. First, take 2 onions. Onions are one of the most common vegetables in kitchens around the world. People use them in soups, curries, salads, and many other dishes. But onions are more than just flavor. They contain plant compounds and nutrients that support a balanced diet. They also contain antioxidants, which help protect the body from stress caused by everyday environmental factors. Next, take 1 full head of garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional food practices. Many people enjoy garlic not only because of its strong taste, but also because it contains natural compounds that researchers have studied for years. Garlic adds a rich flavor and has become a favorite ingredient in many cultures. Now add a piece of fresh ginger. Ginger is another ingredient that people around the world have used for a very long time. It has a warm and slightly spicy taste. Many people enjoy ginger in tea, soups, and wellness drinks. It gives recipes a fresh and comforting flavor. After collecting these ingredients, prepare them carefully. Peel the onions and cut them into medium-sized pieces. You do not need perfect cuts because later, everything will be cooked together. Next, separate the garlic cloves and remove the outer skin. Then peel the ginger and cut it into smaller pieces. Now, place all these ingredients into a cooking pot. After that, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has become very popular in recent years. Some people enjoy its sharp flavor, while others include it in recipes because of its unique taste. It can add a slight tangy effect that changes the final flavor. Now pour enough water into the pot. The water should cover the ingredients properly. Once everything is inside, place the pot on the stove and begin cooking. Allow the mixture to cook for around 30 minutes. During these 30 minutes, something interesting happens. The ingredients slowly soften, and their flavors start blending together. The strong smell of onion and garlic begins filling the kitchen. Ginger adds warmth to the aroma, while the vinegar creates a slightly different scent. This process is very common in cooking. Heat changes textures and helps ingredients release flavors into the water. As the mixture cooks, you may notice the onions becoming softer. Garlic cloves become tender, and the ginger also loses some firmness. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and allow everything to cool naturally. Do not rush this step. Many people make mistakes by immediately transferring hot mixtures into containers. It is better to give it some time. When the mixture reaches room temperature, place it into a clean container. Now here comes the next step. Place it in a cold place for 4 days. Some people use a refrigerator. Others may keep it in another cool location depending on climate conditions. During this time, the flavors continue developing. Patience matters. Many healthy habits work this way. We live in a world where everyone wants instant results. People want fast transformations, fast weight loss, fast energy, and fast solutions. But real wellness often happens slowly. Healthy eating is not about one day. Exercise is not about one workout. Sleep is not about one night. And nutrition is not about one drink. Consistency matters more. After 4 days, your mixture is ready. Now, according to the recipe, take 1 spoon of the prepared mixture and add it to a glass of water. Then add 1 spoonful of honey. Mix everything well. Honey adds sweetness and helps balance stronger flavors from onion, garlic, and ginger. After stirring properly, the drink becomes easier for many people to enjoy. Now let us talk realistically. Some people hear recipes like this and expect unbelievable results. They may think, if I drink this for a week, everything in my body will suddenly change. That expectation creates disappointment. Real health is more practical. No drink can replace healthy meals. No single ingredient can replace movement. No shortcut can replace discipline. If someone drinks wellness recipes every day but also eats unhealthy foods all the time, sleeps very little, and avoids physical activity, results may not match expectations. A balanced lifestyle always matters. Let's imagine 2 people. The first person drinks this mixture every morning, but spends most of the day eating processed foods, drinking sugary beverages, and sleeping only a few hours. The second person drinks it occasionally while also eating fruits, vegetables, proteins, whole foods, staying active, and getting proper rest. Who is more likely to feel healthier? Most people already know the answer. Nutrition works like teamwork. Many habits work together. That is why nutrition professionals often focus on complete lifestyles rather than miracle ingredients. Now let us discuss the ingredients individually in simple language. Onions contain nutrients and plant compounds that are naturally part of a healthy diet. Garlic has been widely studied and remains one of the most talked about cooking ingredients. Ginger has a unique flavor that many people enjoy in drinks and meals. Honey can provide sweetness and improve taste. And water itself is extremely important because hydration supports many functions in the body. Sometimes people search for complicated solutions while forgetting basic habits. Drinking enough water, eating vegetables, moving the body, reducing stress, sleeping properly. These simple habits may sound ordinary, but they often create powerful long-term effects. Another important point is listening to your own body. Every person is different. Some people enjoy strong flavors. Some people may not. Some individuals may prefer less garlic. Others may enjoy extra ginger. Recipes can often be adjusted according to personal preference. And if someone has allergies, health conditions, or specific dietary concerns, speaking with a healthcare professional is always a smart decision. The internet gives us access to thousands of health tips every day. Some information is helpful, some information is exaggerated, and some information can be misleading. That is why critical thinking matters. Ask questions, look for evidence, stay curious. Do not believe every dramatic claim you see online, because real wellness usually looks less dramatic than social media promises. It often looks like daily routines, simple meals, regular movement, healthy habits, and patience. That may not sound exciting, but consistency often creates the strongest results. So if you decide to try this recipe, enjoy it as part of a balanced lifestyle. Appreciate the natural ingredients. Enjoy the process of preparing it. Take time in the kitchen. Cooking itself can become a healthy habit. Many people discover that preparing food at home helps them become more aware of what they eat. And awareness is an important step toward better choices. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, continue exploring nutrition with an open mind and realistic expectations. Healthy living is not about perfection. It is about making better choices consistently. Take care of your body, stay informed, and keep learning. See you in the next video.